Here's the Elliott wave forecast for July 10th, 2008. The Nasdaq on the 3-month chart has 1, 2, 3, and a 4 down. And yesterday could have been the upward 4. It looks pretty standard. But after the upward 4, we got the downward 5. Today was the start of a downward 5 at least. If it takes out 2215, the lowest target I have, well, the first target I have would be wave 1 equals wave 5, which is target as low as 2135 to the downside. If it takes out 2215 this week. For the S&P, there's one thing to note. For the Nasdaq, this is the only noticeable pattern right now because it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're in the middle of a fifth wave down. But the S&P, got this is a 1, 2, it's an extremely long 3 down, and the retracement didn't go as far as the Nasdaq did. The Nasdaq got a full upward 4, but the S&P got not even close. Upward forward of target as high as 130 in the SPYs, or as high as 1300 in the SPX. It's hard to identify where the 4 is. I know where the 2 is, but we haven't seen the 4 yet. But in the Nasdaq we have. So based on this chart, I'm assuming that the S&P and Dow both got their 4s, and we're in a 5 down. That's based on an assumption. Dow is just there's the retracement barely, not even close to an upward 4. But this is what I'm basing my count on. The Nasdaq 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I'm going to focus on the Nasdaq for the next couple days until there's a clear pattern in the S&P and the Dow. But right now I have the fifth wave down starting. It started today, and the lowest target which is wave 1 equals wave 5 would be 2135. That's if it takes out 2215. That's a wrap.